Hi everybody, it's Silverado Zach. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be removing 3M tape, double-sided tape from the old moldings off the door. For an example, let's see. This is the old molding that came off the truck. Of course, you can see it's faded. And, due to time, it's time to take it off. But you see the double-sided tape, and almost never, ever wants to come off the right way. So I have just a trick for getting this off. Just give me just a moment. I'll get everything together and we'll get this removed. Alright. Best way to get this removed, you're going to need a drill. And what I like to call this little guy right here is called an eraser wheel. Basically, it's exactly as it's described, a big rubber eraser. And it's designed to basically heat that double-sided 3M tape and kind of just, it's more or less burning it off without damaging the paint. Now, you can burn through the paint. You can burn through the clear and damage it real quick running this. So be very careful. Don't apply heavy pressure. Don't put a lot of RPMs to it. Just take your time and just move very carefully. That's the best way I can say to describe it. But I'm gonna do like a quick little test run right here on the beginning, just kind of show you what exactly it does. Now, as you can see right there, it does eat through it pretty quick. The door doesn't feel hot. You're going to feel a lot of temperature, especially on the metal. Don't worry about that. Just be careful. Like I said, you will burn through the clear really fast. Ignore this line right here. Somebody painted the truck with the moldings on it. I don't know what I'm going to do necessarily to kind of make it look decent. You can see right there, you can really tell right there where it had been painted with the moldings on it. I'm going to try to sand it, maybe clean it up and hit it with a buffer. It's not going to be 100%, but it'll look better. But I'm going to continue on this line, getting all this stuff taken care of. Give me just a second, I'm going to get you guys set up at a better angle, and we're going to keep it rolling. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not putting a lot of speed to it. I'm not putting a lot of pressure. I'm just easily going over it, running low RPMs, and you see it's just pulling it right off. We're going to keep going. Alright, you pretty much get how it works, how you need to do it. I'm going to step away here, go ahead and knock this out, and I'll pick y'all back up just as soon as I get it all off. Right. As you can see, our double-sided tape is gone. You see how nice that door is. It's just got little lines the camera can barely pick up. But the front, oh my gosh, you see how bad it is. Those paint lines from where they painted it. Now, I did already wet sand. You could already see the dulling in the paint from where I wet sanded it. I took as much as I could take off without starting to actually tear into the paint. That's I mean, that's as good as it's going to get without having to have the door repainted. So I'm just going to buff it and call it good and act like I don't ever see it. That's so sad. I hate when people half-butt do things, because then it leaves me stuck with trying to fix somebody's half-butt work. And I don't understand why. I guess the collision was just held to the front. There's no obvious paint that I could see on the rear door. It looks pretty clean. Alright, well, let's get y'all set up. We're going to do a final wet sand on that rear door. Get this bad boy finished on up. There we go. And this is just 1500 grit. Well, pretty much like a rag, an abrasive rag. Get it wet. Get my water on it. There we go. Alright, let's wipe it off. That's what it looks like. Wow. Night and day difference. Golly. That looks really good. Don't mind how dirty the truck is. Golly, I need to wash it. But alright, well, that's how to remove your side moldings and the 3M tape that applies. These are racers right here. I don't know where you can get them outside of a tool truck. This I got off the Mako truck. Came as a little kit with a little piece for the drill and everything. I think you can get them at Harbor Freight. Drill, of course, this is my Milwaukee drill, but any drill that doesn't overheat and can handle a decent load will work. But that's pretty much it for this video. This, of course, like I said, best way you could possibly go about removing the 3M tape off of there, getting your double-sided, tape molding off, and making it look really good, minus the fact that somebody painted my truck with the moldings on the truck for some stupid reason. But thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and always have a wonderful day.